My name is Ruel John Macayana from BSIT 3A, and I'm the CEO of FastTrack Repair. And we believe we have the most effective form of locating the best electronic technicians in the area. Customers are having trust issues because there are certain electronic technicians are lack of necessary experience to run a store. But they are receiving a customer and paid him a high service fee, but they did not fix it properly, just like what happened to my uncle a month ago. And he goes to a television repair shop and asks them to fix it. Then after they done fix it, he went home and used it for a day. And then the problem reappeared. He was so angry because he paid it a high service fee, but it restored improperly. So, how FastTrack Repair works? This app provides the user an easy access to shop location. Just input in the search bar, then type the service that what you want. And you can see the shops available, and you can choose it and click the navigate button, in which provides the user a direction on how to get there. I have friends with electronic technicians in our neighborhood, and they are also prepared to collaborate and participate when the app available in the market. It also helps technicians who are having trouble finding customer and just simply hoping that there's a lucky customer who stroll into their shop. It will surely benefit them in terms of generating more revenue, and people will be happy because their electronic devices will be fixed properly. FastTrack Repair, providing you the best electronic technicians that you can rely on. Thank you very much.